What is going on, guys? Tech My Life here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually add a watermark using your mobile device. So let's get into it. So guys, all you need to do is open a Google Chrome. Just go to new tab. Okay, so just type here subscribe button. Yes, go over here and download an image, like whichever image, like you can choose anyone. I'll choose this one. You can just hold it for long. What is happening? Then just click download image. It will say downloading. Now, then back. Now go to YouTube. And make sure you are signed into the correct one. So I will meet you in just a second. Yes guys, so I am back. Now click over the three dots on top of the page. Just click this and click desktop site. As you can see, it opened as a desktop. Now just do this and go over here and click Creator Studio. Now you go to channel. Just click channel and click branding. Now it will bring you over this page. Add a channel element to overlay on your videos. So click on add a watermark. Click this. It is opening, guys. As you can see, now click choose file and go over to documents. Now so click item images.png. Just click this, chosen file, then click save. As you can see, your uploaded watermark, and then click save. It is loading. Now as you can see, it is on your videos. So go over here and click entire video and click update. There you go, guys. So you successfully updated your watermark on your videos. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay absolutely awesome. I will meet you in my next video. Peace.
Alright.